I like linguistics because if you study humor or comedy, humor or comedy is really predicated. The fundamental nature of comedy is predicated on linguistics.
Good day to you, sir. I don't even know your name.
And said, this is the final nail in Alec Baldwin's career casket.
A is an apple. T is... Forget it. Just forget it. Just forget it.
Fish. Again. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and you spit up all over the place.
Boy, killing it, boy.
I've been in television for 30 years.
I want to blow this up on Instagram. I want to... Yo, I'm on the Jimmy Fallon show, yo.
You know what I mean? So cool. You have any...
What's so funny?
Can you tell I've never done a Zoom before? Was it easier having...
You having to listen to those goddamn answers?
Humor or comedy is really predicated. The fundamental nature of comedy is predicated on linguistics, language. There are a lot of ambiguity, a lot of play on words, a lot of surrealism, a lot of absurdity. So humor is predicated on linguistics. So linguistics is one of my primary infatuation because it really helps you unravel a lot of different stuff. Boy, killing it, boy.